here for the first time, my name is Chika. Yeah, so we're finding some akara. You guys know African home in a Saturday how it used to be. So yeah, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, yeah, hit that subscribe button on YouTube, Chika Wosu TV, Facebook, Chika Wosu, TikTok, Chika Wosu. Yeah, go and follow me and hop in there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so this is it. Let's make some yummy akara. So guys, I made this akara. My kids, they love all this akara so much. Akara, moi moi, meat pie, all these things. Whenever I made it,